Too heavy?
Oh no.
Not too bad? Okay.
Oh my. In there?
No, what do you see in there?
Eggs.
There's eggs?
Uh-huh.
You're supposed to pretend we were just discovering them. They started laying eggs. So it's the 23rd of March and the ducks are laying again. You got this.
I can't.
You gotta tip it.
Like this?
From the bottom of the bucket. Yeah. Okay, but get into the top of the feeder. Yeah, there you go.
Oh my.
You got it. You got it. Good job. They're gonna make a mess of it anyways, so good practice. All right, we have eggs.
Yay, eggs.
Good work, little duckies. So the ducks are laying now, and if we wanted to, we could take some of the eggs. They're really yummy and quite rich. We'll probably do that for the first week or so, that now that they're laying, and then we'll leave them alone because we want them to sit on them. Now you're just showing off. The hens have been sitting for a little while now. They started sitting around April the 4th, and the gestation for a duck egg is 35 days. So that puts my maths that we'll have little baby ducklings running around the 10th of May. They get up every now and then and go get water and have a bath, eat, and stuff like that. And you can see all the down, the feathers that they've pulled out. So they've made this like cozy down blanket for all these eggs in here. And last year we had 15 of them hatch out all at once, I think it was. So we'll see how many we get this year. So something we learned the hard way last year is that ducklings are not as savvy as chickens. We thought that the mom would protect them and that they would run and hide when there was danger, and they're kind of dumb. They can also get out of anything. They're like mice. So we lost most of our little ducklings last spring, and we found out later that it was a crow that was eating them, and would literally just fly into the field and pick them off, and the mom didn't really do anything, and they weren't running and hiding even. So we put a net over our whole duck area, and we also went around with this chicken mesh and pushed it all down into the ground, and we used tent pegs to help hold the fencing down to the ground, keep them in around the bottom, and we're going to cover the whole thing with a net because they need all the help they can get. I was feeding the ducks and not really thinking twice about it. My net. Sheep are right here, in case you're wondering why I have to talk so loud over them. So I came in. Little baby ducklings, they're so cute.
Catch one, please.
No.
Oh, please, please, please.
So yellow, eh? Oh, there's one that's all yellow. Go back up top. Careful.
Oh, he ran in with the mummy.
Oh my god.
How many are there?
A lot.
Oh, good.
Oh wow, there are a lot.